I have the Longyang Marble Wallpaper. You can use this here on your countertops. Go ahead and kind of replace them. A backsplash, for example. If you're an artist or maybe a photographer, you can also use them like this right here. You can go ahead and create your own kind of marble kind of countertop. That's very easy to do, using just a foam board with it too as well. This is 23.6 inches by 118 inches altogether. They have different sizes also available on it, but this is also self-adhesive. It does have a backing that you just go ahead and just kind of peel off as you kind of place it all the way down with it. So you can kind of see what it looks like. It has a really, really nice finish to it. Very, very nice and shiny with it. You can kind of see really nice marble effect. It comes in a roll, just like this one right here. You just go ahead and pull this here off when you peel it down. Kind of see that it has contact paper in the back of it. It also has some measurements too as well to help you go ahead and cut everything out to go ahead and make it to size. And then this here just goes ahead and easily comes off. It only takes a couple minutes to go ahead and actually put this on with it. My suggestion for you is get either like a credit card or something like that to go ahead and move it along the edge with it as you pull it back slowly and pull it apart with it. But it's a great option altogether for you. So this is 23.6 inches and 100 by 118 inches altogether. A great marble wallpaper right here for you to go ahead and upgrade your countertops very, very simply, or use it as a nice display for any kind of products or any kind of other photography that you might also want to do. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you enjoy it as well.